Hi, I'm Rabbi Fleschel, and today we're going to ask two questions about anti-Semitism. The first question is, why do some people hate the Jews so much? And the second reason is, how do we respond to an anti-Semite? We have to learn our lessons from anti-Semites themselves. And one of the biggest anti-Semites in history was Bilaam. We learned from Bilaam that the reason why he hated us is not because we did anything wrong. In fact, the verse says that God saw no bad in the Jewish people. Bilaam hated us because we did good. In fact, he hated us because of our virtues and what we represented. Bilaam had the opportunity to convert to Judaism, but he decided not to. And because of that, he had no alternative but to hate the Jewish people. But furthermore, we learn another lesson about Bilaam. Rashi brings down that Bilaam requests from God to curse the Jewish people, and God says no. Then Bilaam goes back to God and said, I can't curse them, but can I bless them? And God turns back to Bilaam and he says no. So the question is, why doesn't God allow Bilaam to curse the Jewish people? So Rashi brings down a parable. He says, it's like a bee. Why do you want to be around a bee? To get its honey. But you have to be aware of its sting. And sometimes if you go towards the honey, you're going to get stung. It's the same thing with the anti-Semite. You hang around and you see the positives, they're always going to attack us. And we learn from the fact that when they do attack us, right, the best is not to engage with them, to kind of distance ourselves. But we learn from Bilaam initially that the reason why the non-Jew is attacking us is because we're not doing anything bad. It's because who we are and what we represent. And that should make us proud that we are representing morality. And we should bring that out as much as possible into this world. The best thing Jewish people can do is to unify and to bring out morality in the world. And if a non-Jew, an anti-Semite attacks us, we should be proud. And we should realize that it's coming from that point. And therefore, there's no need to act from an emotional perspective. In fact, we can act back by not acting sometimes and just be proud to be Jewish. Thank you so much.